Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you ways you can withdraw your money on Poppo app, Poppo live streaming app. For those of you that are into Poppo live streaming app, for those new YouTubers that are into the app and you are wondering how can I withdraw my money if I've reached the minimum withdrawal, in today's video I will be showing you how you can withdraw your money. And before we go into how you can withdraw your money, the first thing you know that before you can withdraw your money you have to have up to $10, which is 100,000 pink coin. Yes, you guys know that it's two coins that are there, the gold and the pink. So 100,000 points, they call it points, they need to have 100,000 points. 100,000 points equalize to 10. So that is the amount you need to meet before you can withdraw your money. So let's go into the video. Let me show you how you can withdraw your money on the Poppo app.
This is how to withdraw your money from Poppo, and this is one of my accounts, and you can see the points I have there. Just click on the points. So this is the interface now. I don't have unconfirmed balance, so I have like $10 here, $10 here. So I'll just go ahead to click on withdraw. So I have not inserted any payment method, so I have to put a payment method before it can go through. You can see add the payment method. If I click on add the payment method, then there's ePay, there's USDT, there's Binance, there's Nigeria Bank. So you can see there's OPay depending on the country you are in. If you go here, if you are not in Nigeria, you can click here. If you click there, then you now select the country that you are in. Let me say, okay, I'm in UK. So it will change to this. Why this bank transfer? Let's click on this bank transfer. Though I have set my PIN, so I'll go ahead to put my PIN. So if you have not set your PIN before, they'll ask you to put your PIN. Right, okay, city. I have this account, like I have this, but I don't know if I use it. Let me see, let me try to use this and we wanted to use USDT, but I have a dollar sorry, a pound account. So let me use it. And you can also get it, you can also get it through Gray app. You can also get your account through Gray app. So I just go ahead. The first one is account number, and my account number is 69353170. Okay. First name is Glory. Am I using capital letter? Glory. Last name. Okay. Source code. Okay. Street. City. City is London. Why? Bank account register street. Just that address for I'm just putting it the way they put it on the Gray app. I've used it to withdraw before, but not from Poppo, from another app entirely. Kingsley. Okay. All right, last. Okay, I've done it. Then I'll just go ahead to withdraw. Oh, and you can see now this is the first time I'm trying to use this, and they say it's $25. So I have to go and change it to USDT. I click on USDT. I don't have up to $25. Then put my PIN again and just paste my address. I've already copied my address down. Paste it and submit. Then I should check if it is correct. Guys, it's always good to check if it is correct. Do you know that? I really needed to check again because I sent someone someone this thing, so it's not correct. So this is the correct one. I had to copy it. Like, I wish it was not correct and I just submitted it like that. That's how my money would have gone. So I've confirmed this one and this one is correct. So it's always good to cross check. It's really good. Okay, I've done that. So withdraw. I'll click on withdraw. Confirm. Put in your PIN again. Oh, did I forget my PIN? Okay, so guys, we have done that. They are supposed to send me a message. Okay, they have sent me a message. You initiated within. You will see, let's just give it time. Within the space of about 2 minutes, the money would have entered. And you can see the time I made the withdrawal here is 6:59 p.m. So I'm going to screenshot it when I get the payment on my Bybit to know the exact amount. So let's go back to the video. Oh, hold on, because I'll still video. I'll still have to record this when the money. So guys, you can see it's successful withdrawal of $10. So their charges they remove 1,527 coins. So not up to. And right now, let me screenshot it from my. You can see I've screenshotted it just within 2 minutes. Let's go back to the video.
And I hope you followed all through the way on how I show you how to withdraw your money from Poppo live streaming. And this will be the end of today's video. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and if you have any question for me, just drop it on the comment section. I am going to reply you. See you on my next video. Bye.